Boom, what's going on, guys? So check this out. Check this out. Just got an awesome package. Arken Optics. Dude, I was hanging with these guys at SHOT Show. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys do know about the protector tool, right? Just a quick shout out to the Remnant Alliance protector tool. When you travel, they even make a comb. So anyways, it's metal though. So here we are, man. Zulu HD optic. I am so super stoked about this because, guys, this is one of the most awesome new additions to my arsenal. That's gonna give me more capabilities. I kind of live out here in the middle of nowhere. HD 5 20X digital day/night scope. Don't mind if I toot. No, I just want you guys to know. That is what this is. Ladies and gentlemen, especially, I know I gotta open it. For the price, packaging is sexy. Look at this. This is so sexy. Especially for the price, guys. Day/night sight. I cannot wait to begin running this. So I met this optic on the showroom floor at SHOT Show when we were doing our Jesus and beers there at Arken Optics, and man, I was blown away at its capabilities inside of a building, all lights on. Brought it up, looking around, doing the thing, feeling the flow, riding the bull. And it was a thing of beauty. This feels, you know how it is, man. When you've been around the block, you can feel quality in things. And I can feel the quality in this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, more great content to come on this, but I can't wait to start running around with this thing and really understanding a lot about it and updating you guys. But what I can say is what I saw at SHOT Show was amazing in terms of the versatility and the capabilities that you can now, as a consumer, get your hands on through Arken. And these guys are good dudes, great company. They stand for the right things. And this is awesome. So more good stuff to come, but this Zulu HD 520 TAC-X is X-Ray, is the newest edition, and everyone should have these. Especially Americans, you should have long rifles, and you should have things like this to protect yourself, your family, and to have fun with. Side note real quick, and we're still learning here. Dude, check this out. Beautiful mount that comes with this thing. They're solving problems for me already. Fits together nicely. Yes! I'm just excited. I mean, just as I look at this thing, right? Comes with a super awesome mount, right? Mount's smooth, everything's very sleek. But you also can throw a red dot on the side right there. Let's go, gents. Ladies and gents, let's go. I mean, I probably have it backwards, but I'm gonna figure this out and it's gonna be super dope. We're just warming up, we're just unwinding. That's definitely the front right there. Let's go.